pool should be easy, making family memories, improved health benefits, plus that simple pleasure of relaxation. Simplify your pool life with Paramount's PVR in-floor cleaning and circulation system, and build your new pool to clean itself so you don't have to. Here's how it works. PVR's technologically advanced nozzles placed strategically in the floor, spa, steps, and benches are activated by Paramount's unique water valve. These cleaning nozzles pop up in a controlled sequence, directing a stream of water that moves debris toward PVR's active MDX R3 safety drain. From there, debris travels to optional side deck or equipment pad debris canisters for easy debris removal. When not operating, the nozzles disappear back into the pool floor, making them virtually invisible. No unsightly robotic cleaners or hoses, just a sparkling clean pool. Always swim ready, always ready to enjoy. Unlike traditional pools which return water near the surface, PVR circulates water to the entire pool by returning it throughout the pool floor. This mixing action improves circulation, reduces chemical use and heating costs, and provides a more consistent pool temperature. Even without a heater, you can extend the length of your swimming pool season with the sun-warmed water more evenly circulated to every depth of the pool. Since 1964, Paramount has been committed to helping you get maximum enjoyment out of your new pool with minimal effort. PVR comes with a 99% cleaning guarantee and limited lifetime warranty on cleaning jets. Discover how simple cleaning your new pool can be. We're Paramount. It's what we do.